Hey guys, welcome back to day 10 of Vlogmas, and today I went to Costco and just hung around home for a bit, so I'm going to show you my haul, everything I got, and let's get right into it. Good morning, welcome to day 9, and we're just outside. It's a beautiful day today, so just starting my morning with a little playtime for Rogue, and I have to go to Costco later because I need stuff for going into, or for my party that I'm hosting this weekend. I'm super excited for it. So I have to go to Costco and get some food, and I still have to do my workout and finish my thumbnail for today's video. So it's an exciting day. Okay, I just did a full body workout and now I'm eating lunch. It's this leftovers that I had of chicken. It looks gross, but it's really good. Chicken, salsa, Greek yogurt mixed together with some peppers, and then I baked it and then added some cheese. I'm gonna add a little bit of Frank's and watching Cameron Jewel. And it's only 11:11, and then I'm gonna get ready to go. I also got, I need to self-tan, but I got another one of these sports bras. These are the Gymshark Whitney Simmons ones, and I have the black one already and I love it, so I ordered myself the yellow one, which is gonna look way better when I'm tanned, but they fit me really well. And then I got two more that didn't. Well, so I wanted to love this ruched one, and it's so cute, but it gives me the worst spillage like under my armpits and I can't stand it, so I'm gonna be returning this one. And then this one reminds me of the Floated Y bra from Lululemon, but this one actually fits me, so it's like this, and then the back is so cute and I love it and I love the fit, but I'm not sure I love the color, so I might return both of these and then get this one in black. They didn't have it when I ordered, but now they do, so I might do that, but definitely keeping the Whitney Simmons one. And I've been back to wearing my Lululemon scuba hoodie. I think I got over the fact that at first it was like really bothering me, but now it's like cute, so I pulled it out and I've been wearing that. And that is my little Gymshark haul, so I have to bring those back to UPS and order myself some more. My face is like breaking out really bad right now, probably from all the sugar I've been eating lately. We had a baking day yesterday. I didn't vlog yesterday, but we made so many cookies. These are just a few of them, but I have a whole bag and it was really fun. We had like a girls' day, made cookies, drank rum and eggnog, and it was a good old time, but I need to stop eating so much sugar. So I'm just gonna eat my lunch and then get ready, fix up my face, and then head to Costco. So I was still hungry, so I put some vanilla Greek yogurt in with a cut up apple and some cinnamon.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean nothing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love
Took Rieger out again before I go. It's like honestly so nice out today. It's warm, it's sunny, although there is no snow, but so I kind of have a dilemma, kind of not. Like at Costco I want to go get a whole bunch of hot dogs and hamburger buns for my party, but the cases are rising and it's only a couple days away, but I'm scared that they're gonna like shut down outdoor gatherings, and then I'm just gonna be stuck with all these hamburgers and hot dogs. Or not hamburgers, but just hot dogs. So I'm gonna buy them because I don't have any other time to go to Costco, and hopefully then I can just freeze them if we get shut down again. It's so annoying. Or I'm hoping that they shut it down like for Christmas or something, but not next weekend. Like, please, not next weekend, because I really want to host this party. So anyways, I might go to the LCBO too and get some more alcohol for the weekend. I don't know. I need a day. Today I'm going to Costco, obviously, so I need a day like today, but I also need a day to go to town, to my town, and get like shot glasses, coffee cups, like reusable coffee cups, just the small stuff like that, like some Christmassy decorations. I'll probably do that tomorrow or Thursday. I'm also trying to get an appointment to get my eyebrows done, but they didn't answer their phone. So hopefully I can get that done, and then I'll go to town, maybe hit up the dog park or something. So maybe tomorrow or Thursday. My Vlogmas day 9 is uploading. This takes so long to upload though. It's been uploading for hours. This is why I have been having trouble this year. Not just with my computer. No, I mean not just with uploading, but my computer's been having a lot of trouble like exporting stuff and deleting. Like like one video the other day I edited 5 different times because it just keeps deleting my work. So I get like really frustrated, and then I don't end up getting it up that night because I have to go to bed. So trying, it's hard to do this with this computer, but I'm trying. And I've been having a lot of fun actually doing Vlogmas. I've never done it before, but I've actually been having some fun doing it. Like and I like looking back on it, and I know next year I'll love looking back on it, because like one of the main reasons why I do YouTube is because, well, like I like sharing what I'm doing, but also I love looking back on my old videos, and like even from this time last year, like I rewatched the video, I'm like, oh my gosh, like I feel so different than then. So that's one of the main reasons why I do YouTube. I have been like gaining followers slowly, very slowly, like, but I don't do it for, like I do it for the followers, but I do it out of like pure enjoyment of making videos. So I know like someone actually commented on one of my videos once being like, wow, good for you for like continuing to do this when you like don't have a lot of views. And I was like, no, it was like a really backhanded compliment, but thank you. But I was like, I don't do it, like I do it for the views and like to entertain people and to share and to get comments, like and talk about things with people. But I do it because I genuinely like enjoy it, and I love looking back on the videos and like having the memories. So they didn't rain on my parade that day, but it was just a really weird compliment. I just put on the Essence Shine. Wow, that's not even like a good like creative title, but I just put this on in the color Washed Off. I don't even know, but it's just like a pretty neutral color. And I keep all my lip stuff in this little bag in my purse. So I also have the Essence Water Kiss Glossy Lip Color. And this one is in Aquatic Chic. And then I have this Wet n Wild Megalast Liquid Catsuit. This one is in Rebel Rose, and I actually wore this on my wedding day. I've had this for so long, and it's probably my all-time favorite lip color. It stays though, like it sticks. So yeah, these Wet n Wild Catsuit ones are really good. And I wore this on my wedding day, and it looked really good. I put some lip gloss over it because it's a matte one. But anyways, think we're gonna go to Costco now. And I wanna go to Winners. So I'll probably like wanna do that first, then go to Costco because I'll have all the food with me. At Costco, got so much stuff, and then I got a whole bunch of stuff at the LCBO. Also, I'm gonna go home and unpack it all. I ended up getting a lot more than I thought I was going to, but it didn't even come out to that much, and I got 36 hot dogs, so let's hope that my party happens because it's a lot of freaking hot dogs if it doesn't. I also got a lot of booze. So I'm hoping that it happens. Okay, here's the Costco haul. And there's Derek eating dinner. I'll start over here. So I got 4 things of ground turkey. I think these are around £1 each. And then I got the chicken that we like to freeze. I think there's 9 in here, so we put in bags of 2 and 1 of 3. Then I got Gala apples. These are my favorite. These protein bars that I got last time too, and they're so good. They taste like an O. Henry bar, and Derek's been eating them too, so we love these. They're really good. You should try them. And then I got a thing of cookies, some bread for Derek's lunch, some Reese Thins. These were on sale, and I thought I could put them out at my party in a little bowl. They're only $9.99 for this whole tin. And I got more peanut butter, and I got eggs, and then I got apple cider to put out for people to drink, and I also like mixing this with Fireball, so I'm gonna put Fireball out so they can mix that if they want. And then I got eggnog for rum and eggnog, or if they just want to have some eggnog. I told my cousin to bring some, but I just bought this big one in case. I didn't even know they had eggnog at Costco actually until I saw that. And then some chocolate milk, some regular milk. I got the dill pickle creamy salad. I haven't had this in a while, and it's really, really good. So if you haven't tried this, you should. It's amazing. Sounds weird, but it's really good. Bananas. I got 24 buns for the hot dogs because we're having a bonfire, so I thought people could make hot dogs on the fire. And then I got 36 hot dogs. The hot dogs at Costco are really, really good. So I think I'm gonna have to go and buy another bag of buns at the store. And then I got some raspberries, a thing of clementines. The clementines at Costco are also really good this year. And then I got 3 Summersbees to add. We have lots more drinks in the fridge, but just to add. A bottle of tequila because I've been liking making cranberry margaritas. They're in, I think, 2 or 3 videos back. I showed you how I make them. I got 2 things of red wine. I personally don't really like red wine, but it's good to have on hand for other people. Usually they do bring like their own wine, but just in case. And then I bought a box of white wine also for the party. I was gonna buy 2 big bottles, but it was the same price as the box, so I thought I'll just get that. And I like this, so if they don't drink it, I probably will eventually. So that was my little LCBO haul. That was my Costco haul. So hopefully this party is a go because I'm gonna have a lot of wine and hot dogs if it doesn't. So I got these chicken burgers and chicken strips. Thanks for watching day 10 of Vlogmas, and I will see you tomorrow.